welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well and you are safe. So I think मेरे इस channel पे मैंने जितने सारे videos डाले हैं about menstruation, they all are about menstrual cup or like periods cramps. So today the video I'm going to make is about, of course, menstruation, but it's about menstruation sanitary pads and also cloth panty liners. So without any further discussions, let's get into the video. So today the brand I'm going to talk about is called Avni. Yes, so this is their box which they have sent me and I have used their product and I was like, wow, these are really worth trying. So the first product from this brand called Avni is this one. This is Avni Natural Sanitary Pads. These pads are really thin and very comfortable, and these are made up with pure cotton, and that's why these are totally rash free. These pads have wide wings and that's why you don't need to worry about your leakage. So if I open this box, एक ऐसा feeling आता है कि खोलते ही मतलब दिल खुश हो जाता है. See the packaging, I mean wow. You will get in 3 different colors. First one is yellow, second one is kinda orange, and the third one is kinda pink or peach. So I'm gonna tell you what is the meaning of this color coding. So if I put these pads out, then first of all, these red packaging pads are for your heavy flow days like your first and second days. And if I talk about this orange one, then this one is for your medium flow days. These are for like your third or fourth day, and these yellow ones are for your last, like your last 5th or 6th day. Isn't it great? They have color coded everything and it's so easy to use and it's very convenient. After opening this pack, you will get your sanitary pads here, and you can use this bag to discard your used sanitary pads. If you just open this seal, you will feel some stickiness here. You just need to put the used pad here and you have to seal it and you can just discard it.
Avni makes sure only natural cotton touches your skin. With ethically sourced raw materials, Avni proudly crafts these pads in India with no toxins, no plastic, or no perfume. It has soft natural cotton and white wings.
Now the product which I am gonna talk about is one of my favorites. So this is the pouch. First of all, you can see it comes in a pouch. Here the Avni sign has already drawn. It's a cotton pouch, so you can use it afterwards. And after opening this, so I have these 2 panty liners. These are cloth panty liners. One is like kind of greenish color and it's orange color. So I am very bad at describing colors, so please don't mind it. But if I talk about these panty liners, these are the best panty liners I have used so far. First of all, I'm gonna tell you when to use this cloth panty liners. When it's your low flow days, you can simply use this cloth panty liners. Also, when you are staying at home or at night when you are going to sleep, you can use this. Or you can do one thing which I do personally. So you can use this cloth panty liners in your प्री-पीरियड्स डेज. जैसे कि आप सोचो आपका पीरियड्स डे आने वाला है महीने का 25 तारीख को, सो यू कैन यूज इट फ्रॉम मे बी 20, सो दैट अगर पीरियड आ गया है और आप कहीं बाहर हो तो आपका कोई स्पॉट होने का कोई चांसेस ही नहीं है, कोई डर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. सो यू कैन ट्राई दिस मेथड एंड लेट मी नो इफ दिस रियली वर्क्स. एंड दिस क्लोथ पैंटी लाइनर्स आर सो सॉफ्ट, so good in quality that it will not cause any kind of itching or any kind of rash, so you just don't need to worry. Now I'm gonna show you how you can use this cloth panty liners. So just think this is a panty and you have to keep it like a simple pad, and what you need to do is you have to clip it like this. Yeah, if you clip it, it will become like this over your panties and you can simply use this. So it's very easy and very convenient. And lastly, I will always advise you, while you are using this cloth panty liners, Please maintain proper hygiene and please wash this cloth panty liners properly. You will get a guide here from Avni. Please take these guidelines and please maintain hygiene and wash properly. So last but not the least, the product I have with me from Avni is this one. This is Avni Natural Vaginal Wipes. This is, I think, one of the best products from Avni, and this is totally alcohol free, sulfate free and paraben free, so you don't need to worry, and also it is gynecologically approved. Yes, and you can simply use this product before or after any intimate activity, or after urination, during your menstruation, or anytime you feel like.
Peel the sealed label from the pack, pull out the wipes, unfold and gently wipe your vaginal area from front to back once and dispose off after one use.
So this one is Avni's travel friendly handy pack. You can just simply check this out on their website, and I will put all the products link on the description box, so make sure you are checking this. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have find this video helpful, and if you have, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any further queries, then do let me know that in the comment section below. Share this video with your bestie, with your female friends and with your family, so that they can also know about these products. And don't forget to subscribe this channel if you have not yet, and press the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you guys soon. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye.